Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with hair about 80% dry because texture spray grips best without heavy water. You detangle and section to ensure even coverage. This prevents clumping and wasted product. Once done, shake the bottle vigorously so active ingredients mix, then hold the nozzle 8 to 10 inches from hair. Spray in short bursts along the mid-lengths to ends. Avoid saturating roots. You do this to create a base grip and natural separation that the product will amplify. You now work through sections, applying 2 to 4 short sprays where you want texture. Mid-lengths and ends create movement without greasy roots. As you apply, rake through with fingers or a wide-tooth comb to break up strands. This step spreads product and builds separation. Once distributed, scrunch or twist small sections to encourage waves. If you prefer more hold, use a blow dryer on low or a diffuser while shaping. This locks in texture and activates the formula's lightweight hold. You finish by shaping with fingers, lifting at the roots and smoothing ends. This preserves the gritty, lived-in look. Once satisfied, refine by lightly misting from about 12 inches for extra hold or lightly patting with hands to soften. Small adjustments change texture density. If you encounter tackiness or weighed down hair, use 1 to 2 sprays of dry shampoo at the roots and rework the mid-lengths. That absorbs excess and restores separation. Finally, avoid heavy brushing, which reduces the textured effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.